It seems like Apple wants to start launching budget-friendly iPhones as soon as this year. We get more interesting color options for the Huawei P20 in addition to renders ahead of its release, and the LG V30S gets a release date along with its prices in certain markets. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I know, the face. After a whole night of not sleeping, getting that S9 Plus review, which I would love it if you would watch, it's time for the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches and insane price tags. I mean, we still don't understand the purpose for the LG V30S Plus ThinkQ, but, and I got the name right. But if you're wondering exactly when it'll launch, set your calendars for March 9th, pretty much tomorrow. Most interesting, the price tags in certain markets. $975 for the entry-level 128GB variant, $1,020 for the 256GB model. I know. I don't even know what to say about that. Let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think. Now let's talk about Sony and the company's launch of the Xperia XZ2 Compact and the regular XZ2. These products already begun pre-orders in certain markets in Europe, and the launch will happen in April. Kind of far. But hey, price tags, €599 for the Compact, $799 for the XZ. And this is ahead of whenever we get a premium variant, which should come later this year. I don't know if I should call these overpriced. I do believe smartphones in general are just going crazy with the prices. But yeah, if you're looking for Sony and you want to, go chubby, then here goes. Now let's talk about the Vivo APEX, that smartphone that we really couldn't find at MWC, that's all display at 91% screen-to-body ratio, and in addition to figuring that out, it has the selfie camera that you can tuck in and tuck out. If you thought that this was a prototype just as we did, it turns out that the company is already working on, starting to manufacture the product. Apparently production will begin soon, and we should expect a launch later this year. The question is, would you be willing to buy this phone? And I wonder if it's going to reach other markets that are not China as well. Now let's talk about Huawei. We are a couple of weeks away from the company's launch of the Huawei P20, P20 Lite, P20 Pro. Evan Blass obviously always helps us with some great leaks. We want to see color options and design. It seems that we're going for blue, a lighter tone of blue, and black. The design looks gorgeous from the back, from the front. Obviously, it looks like another phone. I just feel that this design actually looks better than that other phone that I'm not even going to mention. I like the color options. Let's see what the price tag says. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with Apple and some trusted sources that are claiming that the company is working hard on dropping the price tag of new products to come. Bear in mind, Apple has never been famous for expensive devices, but then again, I think that this launch of the iPhone X at a crazy $1,000 was proof to Apple that people won't necessarily pay everything for their brand. The source claims that we're going to get a budget-friendly iPhone, which I assume to be the iPhone SE2, but it seems the company is also working on a lineup. We know that the iPad, just the regular iPad, is affordable, but apparently the company wants to go even more affordable. But we also hear of a more affordable MacBook in addition to a refresh of the HomePod that doesn't kill the price tag. I think this is great. I feel that Apple's numbers are good, but the company is acknowledging that the market and the economy is not getting any better over time. So in today's question, let us know. Would you change your mind? Let's just say you're an Apple hater. You don't like their products. Would you consider buying Apple products if they were more affordable? Because in my case, it all depends. I mean, if Apple is going to drop the prices on everything, sure. But if it's just going to launch a watered-down product line and then have its expensive product line on the side, being the aspirational ones, not necessarily. But that's my opinion. Let us know yours in the comments. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.